Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make 3R precise photo in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture from our file. Then click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we make this picture 3R. We click the picture and go to the format menu. Then we can see here this height and width menu. We know that 3R is equal to 3.5 into 5. Now click the picture and resize the 3.5 into 5. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now we can see here we make this picture 3R very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.